Hello everyone, I'm very sorry for this poor quality video. I'm still trying to learn the new technology, but now I have to use my phone to record my lesson. Our teacher told us we must be relate our lesson to our student. My student is Chinese high school student. Some of them will take the TOEFL test maybe in the future, so I hope my lesson will help them. Here is my lesson. Welcome everyone. I'm very glad I will be your English writing teacher this year. I know some of you are studying TOEFL now and we are going to take the TOEFL test in the future. So I designed my class to help you to prepare this important test. And also I want my class helpful to some other students who don't take this test but also want to improve their English writing skills. For the TOEFL test, some is brief introduction for the TOEFL test. TOEFL has 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. This column is a time allocated for each section. You can see here, writing is 15 minutes, and also there's a short break. It's 10 minutes break, and this as a question what I'm going to do in each section, and this is a description. Here is what you're going to do for each section. I'm not going to talk more the detail. Maybe in the future classes I will talk more detail, but I want you know, I want you, for everyone we know, for the non-English speaking, we all know the difficulties always listening, speaking, and writing. So as a teacher, I ask myself, how can I teach all this part so my student can improve a lot? That's why I adopt a new approach, a new pedagogical approach. It is called a flipped curriculum approach. That means you have to do a lot of homework by yourself at home. In class, I will devote half a time to group discussion. At home, you are going to do this, listening. So you are going to listen to 20 or maybe sometimes less than 20, maybe 10 minutes long YouTube video. And then you're going to write down the caption, the subtitle, or maybe transcript. So this caption or transcript are automatically generated by a computer. There must be some errors. If you can catch the error and make connection, it's fine. But we can do, I will review this transcription in the class, you can check. So in the class, I will going to call several students to read your part of transcript. And we can compare, do the comparison. So that's why, and so in this way you can practice your listening and also you practice your speaking at the same time. And also you have to look up the new word. Of course, the new word is different for different students. It's okay, you come up with new words different from other students. That's absolutely okay. But you must write the explanation in English and in Chinese. And for the new word, you must come up with at least one synonym. Next, I'm going to talk some computer tools. For the dictionary, I use Bing. Here is a URL. you can copy down to go there to looking for to check the new word. Of course, for the new word, it must have several meanings. For the volume, you can see the volume can also mean when you use mass means solid. The volume is solid, but when you use in the sound, that means do you speak loud or do you speak loud or do you speak very lightly so nobody can hear you? For this new word, you must pick one. Which one is best fit for the article you read? Of course, you need to create the blog to write down all the information for the new word and share this URL to all students so we can learn from each other. Here is my blog. Okay. So you can see the volume. I see over here sound volume versus the sound versus solid volume. I give some example here. Of course, you can use, I use a Google Blogger, but of course you can use any free website tools to create your blogger. It's not, it's up to you to choose which one. Another one I want to introduce is read aloud extension. If you go up here, I have 3 extensions installed. One is read aloud. I will go detail in my class how to you install them, but I only want to show you sample here. So if you go to any website, for example, the Python data structure over here, data structure site over here, and if you go to the blog over here, and you can click the read aloud.
Python data structures 1, week 1, estimated time 3 hours 37 minutes. Chapter 6, string.
And you can close it, and when you close it, so in this way, you can also read. When you read, you also can improve your listening skill. Okay, so that is my test, my lesson. Thank you to watch it.